This price prediction is aimed at answering most of your questions. Is Rollbit coin currently showing bullish or bearish signs? In the past 24 hours, the price of Rollbit coin has decreased by 9.44%. Rollbit coin has experienced a hard time gaining momentum over the past 7 days, down 20.44%. RLB is showing bearish signs this week. Now could be a good time to invest if you are thinking of buying Rollbit coin. Based on today's classical pivot point, P1, with a value of $0.138, Rollbit coin has support levels of $0.129, $0.122, and the strongest at $0.113. Similarly, Rollbit coin resistance levels are at $0.145, $0.154, and $0.161. Within the last 30 days, the price of RLB dropped by 34.67%, reducing its previous value of $0.193 by $0.067. This current downtrend means that Rollbit coin is in dip right now. Rollbit coin price has increased by 434.72% in the past 90 days, adding $0.102815 to its previous value of $0.023. What is the Rollbit coin price prediction for this week? According to our Rollbit coin price prediction, RLB is forecasted to trade within a price range of $0.139 and $0.148 this week. Rollbit coin will increase by 6.54% and reach 14 cents by September 18, 2023 if it reaches the higher value target. What is the Rollbit coin price prediction for next week? The Rollbit coin price prediction for next week is between $0.148 on the lower end and $0.142 on the high end. Based on our RLB price prediction chart, the price of Rollbit coin will decrease by -4.06% and reach $0.142 by September 25, 2023 if it reaches the upper price target. What is the Rollbit coin price prediction for 2023? Rollbit coin is forecasted to trade within a range of $0.125 and $0.160. If it reaches the upper price target, RLB could increase by 27.93% and reach $0.160. What is the Rollbit coin price prediction for 2024? According to our Rollbit coin price prediction, RLB is forecasted to trade within a price range of $0.125865 and $0.205 next year. Rollbit coin will increase by 63.68% and reach $0.205 if it reaches the higher value target for 2024. What is the Rollbit coin price prediction for 2025? The Rollbit coin price prediction for 2025 is between $0.179 on the lower end and $0.416 on the high end. Based on our RLB price prediction chart, the price of Rollbit coin